Hello. This is a demo for debugging a JavaScript app using VSCode. So start off, let's create an index.js. When we have an index.js, you just try console log. Hello. Save it, run it. Node index. Hello. Okay. Then I need to set up a JavaScript debugger. So click this one. Then create a launch.json file. So it should be nodejs. Okay. Then we have here add configuration. So click add configuration, and we're going to configure for node.js. So attach node.js attach. Then save. Then close. And then go back. Oh, sorry about that. Go back. Wait. Let's try node index. Oh, I'm sorry. So I still need to click attach. Select attach, and then press F5. Okay. Now we are now in debug mode. Let's see if this is, yeah. So we have here a JavaScript debug terminal. Click this and then run. Wait. Let's try run node index. Yes, it is automatically attaching, but we need to run the debugger first. So press F5. Okay, and then we try var arr1 equals array, var arr2 is null, and then hello arr2. Save. So we go put a breakpoint, like just click this red. Okay, so there. Then press F5. Okay, we now have this. So then we run node index. Okay, good. So we now have this. So we can trace. And then, so in the watch, I could put in expression to watch. I want to watch arr2. So it is still undefined. So if we go there, it becomes null. So you see, and then in debug console we can type in 1 plus 1 is equals to 2. So we can also put in arr2 is null, arr1 is an array. So can also put conditions if arr2 equals null. So log it is null. Yes, so that is how I set up the JavaScript debugger. Thank you.